A Christmas cat, a country cat, and so she was. She came to us at Christmastide, when visitors had gone. We saw her first in winter, in the place where she was born, a cottage in the country, with a kitchen dry and warm. Cats and children everywhere, loving hands stroking, tabby cats purring. Our eyes saw everything, yet nothing but her shining eyes. Into our home she came, this little cat, so small and thin, legs so long, and that is how she always was, not like some. "Just a scrap," said one. "Is this yours?" another. "Has she always been like this?" asked a kindly vet. "And yet, there's some Siamese," another said, after a plaintive sound. And when she sat erect and proud, no cat more beautiful than she. "The perfect hunter," Richard said. Though tiny, she was strong. Her tail lashed and waved, razor claws stretched, eyes gleamed, as through the grass she moved, towards the elusive butterfly or bird. She lived her instincts every second. She skipped and danced about the lawn, or in the sun she lay, paws tucked in, eyes shut tight. But at a gentle word from us, she rolled and stretched, awake again and ready to play, or run away. A soft nose touching our legs, or a barely heard meow, were her gentle reminders. The chairs, soft and warm, were her perfect resting place, or in the warmth of Richard's arms she would sleep content. Time was not important to her. And in her world, we, her friends, could stay. Our eyes were only for this scrap of fur with shining eyes that trembled feather-light in our cupped hands. There are empty chairs now, no swish of a tail to brush past our legs. The window-sill is white and stark, and the rattle of the blinds is no longer a signal.